Hello guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dustin, this is Autobahn Speed. Welcome back. I'm gonna do a night drive now in the Alfa Romeo Mito 1.3 diesel engine. And I hope it gives you a good impression what it looks like if you drive this car in the night. Alright guys, it's time for the night drive. I'm standing in front of the car. Here you can see it in the dark. I hope you can see it clearly. It's maybe a little bit hard to see. Maybe the other car will shine a light on the car. As you can see it. Let's go for a drive. Start it up. First gear. Handbrake down. Let's go. I've been driving the car the whole day now, and one thing I noticed is that if you're not in a certain range of the turbo, there is literally zero torque. Watch out for the cuts. Let's see this way. And it is quite annoying because sometimes you just want to pull up quickly. And then you have to shift back. While you don't really expect it. Now at 2000 the turbo will help. But then after 3000 there's already no more torque. So then you really have to shift. You can push the pedal, but nothing happens. What I also still don't like are the seats. They're just too hard. They're not comfortable. They give good side support, so in the corners you will stay in place. But they're just a little bit too hard, too firm. Especially at the lower back, it's not comfortable. Visibility is okay with this car, but the car does not have xenon lights. Just the normal lights. And yeah, visibility, as you can see there in front, is not optimal. Let's see if we can do a little bit of Autobahn. Quite dark here. Pushing the pedal, the car makes a lot of noise, the diesel engine, but sometimes not much is happening. It makes a lot of noise, but it's not a nice noise. Especially at lower speeds, you can hear it rattling. But let's see. Pushing the pedal all the way down. 4,000 RPM, really nothing is happening anymore. So now it just stays at 4,000 and you have to shift again. Pushing the pedal all the way down. We're doing now 150 GPS. Just not a fast car. It goes, but it really takes a lot of time. Now when we go a little bit downhill, we can push it to 170. There it is. Well, not 169. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's the top speed of the car. So you can just floor the pedal, but it doesn't go any faster. Now pushing the pedal from 3,000 to 4,000 in the rev, it just takes ages. Well, my telephone stand is not helping a lot today. This afternoon it's already had some problems, so I think I need to replace it. But yeah, that's the night drive of this car, Alfa Romeo Mito 1.3 diesel engine. The interior in the dark, well, you can see some lights here in the center console. The radio is on. The gauges here in front of the steering wheel, yeah, they're very clear, that's no problem. But for the rest, yeah, it's just a dark place. But cruising now on 150 GPS, 160 on the meter, something like that. It's okay. It cruises along, no problem. And in 1 kilometers we are back in the Netherlands, back home. So it's over with the fun and over with the high speed. Just going back to 100 here. Yay! Exactly 100. Oh. GPS is now 100 and the speedometer is also 100. So the speed difference is gone apparently when you drive 100. Well, something nice that we just found out. Well, what else can I say about the Autobahn Drive here in the dark? Not much. Cruising on 100, 5th gear, doing 2000 RPM in revs, so it's quite economical. It only uses 5.2 liters of diesel per 100 kilometers, which is quite economical. Yeah, I think I'm gonna round it up. That was the night drive for now. In the next video we're gonna take it on the Autobahn at daytime. Well, I already did that in the afternoon, but yeah, I'm gonna upload that video later, so you're gonna see it after that. So please watch that one also. We did a little bit of higher top speed than we did now. Now we did 169, 170 GPS. So watch the video at daytime also. You can see what the car looks like at yeah, in the light instead of in the dark where I'm sitting right now. And I want to thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up. Hope you see my thumb here. Leave a thumb up. And leave in the comments what you think of this video and what you think of this car, the Alfa Romeo Mito 1.3 diesel engine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye guys.